Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone or any pages on Facebook using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and then search for facebook.com. After that, just go ahead and log in your account. And once you've done that, you can now see the See All option at the left side of your screen. So you just want to click on that. And then here you want to click on Pages and click Like Pages. And then here you can all see who you've followed. Okay. So for example, this one, you just want to unfollow, this page. So you just want to click on this following button. And as you can see here at the lower part of it, it says that unfollow this page. So just go ahead and toggle the switch on and click update. So now you will stop seeing posts from this page in your feed. So you can see here, I unfollowed that page. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.